Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to bring you guys another hair loss related video. So if you've seen any in the past, I am currently losing my hair and I'm sure a lot of you out there are going through the exact same thing. So I've just been trying loads of different products on the market. So I've tried finasteride, which I did not get on very well with, but I'm considering trying it again. I've done REGAINE in the past, right? So I did it for 3 months. Then I ran out of the solution and I just didn't bother getting a new pack. So I don't actually know if it properly works for me or not. So in this video, I'm gonna be trying out the REGAINE. Oh my God, this piece of hair. Seriously, literally, I've done nothing to my hair. And when I don't do anything to my hair, it just literally flaps around and does whatever it wants. Anyway, so I'm gonna be testing out the REGAINE. So I'm gonna unbox this, show you guys what it looks like, show you how to apply it to your hair. And then I also want to do a 1 month update, and then I want to do a 3 month update, and then I will do a 6 month update. Just to show you guys whether it works or not. So let's just open it up. So I got the 3 month supply. So it is supposed to help regrow hair and prevent further hair loss. And yeah, let's just dive in. So yeah, like I said, I got the 3 month supply. So I got the 3 bottles, and then you also get a leaflet in here, which I think explains to you how to use it, why if you shouldn't use it for these certain reasons. So yeah, pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. So you're supposed to use it twice daily, so once in the morning, once at night would be preferable. Okay, so let's just open it up and let's just try it. So it's got a little nozzle like this on the end, and you push this down into your roots. So I did a bit of research online, and they did say that you're supposed to squirt a bit into the cap up to the top and then use that to rub into your scalp. But I found with that, as soon as I put my fingers into the lid to get out the foam, it just melts against your warm skin. So I just don't think you're getting enough product into the scalp. That's me personally. But yeah, this is how I do it. So you just put it in the areas that you are thinning. So this bit is a big bit for me. So just aim it straight down like that. I'll give it a shake before. Aim it straight down like that. Squirt a bit in. There you go. And then just rub that through the parts where you are thinning. So I'll just rub that through. Now it does have a bit of a smell to it. It's quite a chemically smell. Not gonna lie. It's not horrific, but you know, you can smell it. And then I'm gonna do a bit more in the middle here. Oh, and then I'm gonna rub that through. So yeah, this is something that's really easy. You know, you can do it before you go to bed. You can do it in the first thing in the morning. And well, I'll show you, but I'm gonna do a bit at the back. I'm not really receding from the back, but I just rather put it there, just to be on the safe side. Okay, and a little bit more in the middle. Then just rub all of that through. So once I put it all in, it does feel a little bit wet in my hair, but that will soon dry really quickly. And there's one real positive from this foam that I really like. It gives you an instant thickness in your hair. I think that's what I liked about it the most. But you'll probably be able to see the difference on camera once I've rubbed this all in. So that is now all rubbed in, and now I can't really smell it. I don't know if it's because I'm used to the smell, but after you can just sort of spray your hair with a bit of hairspray if you want to hold it in place, and then I don't think you're really going to smell anything. So it does set you back £50 for this, but I mean, if it helps regrow your hair, then I think that's worth it. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that is it really, guys. That is how you apply the REGAINE foam. It's really easy, really simple. Do it twice a day, and fingers crossed, in I think it's 6 months or more, you will notice a change. I really hope this video has helped you in some way. And if you are suffering with hair loss, don't worry, we're all in this together. Like, everyone goes through it. There's so many things out there that you can try. So I'm gonna be doing that a lot on this channel. Make sure you check out some of my other videos on hair loss, or I've got other videos on dating. And if there are any other more products you'd like me to try, let me know, and I will hope to see you all in the next one.